Good morning and welcome back. I'm so glad to see you. I hope you are doing your work. Hope you're listening to your mom and dad. And today we have a special message. My message today is we will clean up. Clean up? Miss Furrow, do we have to? Yes. Everybody has to clean up. We'll talk about that again in a minute. First, let's do our message. Help me. We will clean up. Let's do our lines. We will clean up. And there's what? A period. Got something new to show you today on it too. Got your message tree out. I have switched my colors. You ready? What's our first word? We. Remember, let's start with the big W. We will, don't get ahead of me guys, we will clean up. Now, I'm going to do something different here. I'm going to put a little mark right here. Looks almost like a little line, but it's not. It's called a hyphen. It means those two words go together. So you've learned something new that you can tell your mama. What is that word? Hyphen. Now, why do you think I would want you to clean up? Look at my table here. Do you think I can do any work? No, I have all that. So let me get my bag and let me start cleaning up. And I know you would help me if you were here, but you're not here because you guys always rush to help me when I need you, don't you? So while I'm cleaning, I want you to think about things that you can clean up at your house. Are your toys picked up? What about your clothes and your shoes? Are they put away neatly? Does your little brother or little sister needs help? Because some of you have those little brothers and sisters, and we have to clean it all up. Why? One, so we can do fun things. And two, if you don't clean up your toys, they get broken. Remember how some of our toys got broken at school? People didn't clean up good and they got stepped on. So be something special to your parents today and clean up all of the house for them, especially your things, and then ask mom and dad when you can help them clean up. They will be so impressed with you and they'll say, what a good boy and good girl you are. So surprise them and clean up. See you later. Goodbye.